Hey beauties, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is going to be another gel polish swatching video. So this video, this gel set, this collection was actually sent to me by a new gel polish brand on Amazon called Umikk. I think it's Umikk. I'm assuming that's how it's pronounced. I might be butchering that. I hope it is. So they sent me this for free, and I'm very grateful. So thank you so much for sending me this. They've also given me a discount code, by the way, that I will leave down below in the description box. But yes, they sent me this about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't gotten around to doing it. This comes so quickly as well, and I was so chuffed. I can't remember how much percentage off the discount code is. It's 15 or 20%, I believe. But anyway, so we're going to quickly just go through the swatching now, and I'm going to tell you straight off the bat, these gel polishers were so nice to work with. Okay, so I had like Beatles vibes. The packaging, like apart from it being pink, the box, the way that they are stored, the like minis, and like they give you a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. You also get 21 colours. And there is such a variety of colours in this. There is like spring, summer, a couple of even winter and autumn colours. Like the silvers and the glitter blues give me very like cold, sort of cool toned Christmassy winter vibes. Then we got some really lush pastel colours, some hot like neon in your face like colours, and then some really like rich autumny colours. So this collection is for like all year round. And I will also say that the top coat and the matte top coat was so nice to work with. They don't smell like gel unless you really stick your nose in there. So there wasn't like an overpowering gel smell, which you do get with some gel polishes, but I really enjoyed using these. These were creamy. They were one coat coverage. You can put two, of course. Yeah, I was very, very happy with these, and I am like, oh, those greens, that first, they come in like 3 sleeves. That first sleeve was like all green, and I was like, oh, I'm loving green right now. I don't know why. I didn't do green though today. I done a pastel coloured nail set, which we'll see in a bit. So once I was finished swatching, I did use the top coat, both the top coats. So I put shiny top coat onto the glitter and that dark blue jelly colour, and then the rest of the colours I matte top coated. And the matte, I was quite shocked because I thought the matte top coat was going to be really like thick, and it wasn't at all. By the way, off subject quickly, that red glitter one went on so smoothly. Did you see that? It was 1, 2, 3 coats and it was perfect. I was like, oh, okay. So anyway, the matte top coat and the actual normal top coat, it's not runny, but it was a really nice, like when I was putting it on, I wasn't like, you know, like some gel polish, it's like you gotta like paint and then turn your brush over and paint again because it sticks to the sticky tacky layer of the gel colour. I didn't have that with these. They went on smoothly, and I was like, oh wow, okay. And I love that. I run out of swatches because this is a 21 set and there's only 20 sample sticks on here. So I just put the purple on the centre and I top coated it. So yeah, the matte top coat, look how lovely that is. That it's perfect. I missed a little bit on that orangey sort of colour there. And yeah, that neon, the red, blue and orange, that neon orange was stunning. Yeah, oh, apart from that one like creamy colour, by the way, the rest of these literally didn't move. So I was like, okay. So I am using my practice hand today. I'm also wearing some gloves to protect my skin, because I've been picking up my cuticle, so I don't want to put any gel polish on my natural nail right now because I don't want it to go into my skin, because yeah. So I am going to be using one of them spongy, bouncy tools today. I wanted to give it a try. I got one ages ago and I was like, I still haven't used it, so I'm going to try it. I use a pink, a blue, a purple and a green. They're all there. It's like a turquoisey green. I put like a couple of blops on my resin palette here, and then I just put them onto the sponge and I start dabbing. I've never used a sponge before. I should probably like try and watch some videos first to understand what the hell I was doing. But it wasn't my favourite tool. I went straight back to my gel brush and my liner brush, and yeah, so this was kind of like a, I don't even know, it was like a marbly tie-dye blobby thing. I don't know what's going on. The next nail, I tried to do like a 4-way ombre and it didn't go quite as planned. And I thought, you know what, I'd rather do like a tie-dye. You know, you drag the colours through each other. So I'd done that and it kind of looked a bit like flames. And I was like, okay, I kind of like it. But the only thing is, when you use this spongy thing, you can't go near the cuticle. It's the same with like when you're marbling. I can't even speak today. When you're marbling with a gel brush, I went in with a liner brush around the cuticle area to make sure that it was crisp line. It's still not perfect, but it was. Yeah. Also, if you want to do this design, I will say now, don't forget, this is on a fake hand, but if you want to do this design on your natural nail or on top of like a product, make sure to prep the nail beforehand. I will leave a video in the cards. I think I'm going to upload my prep video to YouTube just on its own. It's only like a 2-minute one, just so that when people ask, I can just refer them to that video, because it is. Sometimes I don't like to do prep in my videos, and sometimes I do, because I do so much prep. I do so many nail sets. I don't want to over prep my nail. Do you know what I mean? Like if I was wearing my nails for 3 to 4 weeks, then yeah, this is a completely different story. But because I'm obviously doing a lot of different videos, I don't want to over prep. And also another thing, I do get asked a lot with polygel. I have noticed lately, we've had a few new subscribers. Hi, welcome. My name is Abby. Thank you so much for subscribing, by the way, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. You know, the old supporters, the OGs, and the new supporters, you're all amazing, and thank you so much. But anyway, as I was saying, I do have a lot of people asking me about polygel and how long it lasts. Polygel will, sorry, I know this has nothing to do with the video, I just thought I'd mention it here. Polygel does last up to 3 to 4 weeks. It's exactly like acrylic, because polygel is hard gel, builder gel, whatever you want to call it, and acrylic mixed together. Finely milled acrylic, so basically dip powder and builder gel mixed together. That's what polygel is. So it does last. Okay, I just wanted to put that out there because I did have a lot of people asking, so I thought I'd just mention it. I'll mention it again in an actual polygel video. But yeah, I thought I'd mention it here because I have been asked recently. But anyway, going back to the video here, as you can see, I try again to use that spongy thing. I don't know, I need to watch some videos, see what people do with it, and then learn, because I was kind of just like meh, and in the end I just went back to my gel brush. So as you can see, I'm just painting it on here. These colours are so lush. Oh, I love pastels, and I add a little bit of glitter at the end, and these tint out really, really cute. I was really happy with them. They give me like spring, warm vibes, I don't know, and like a bit unicorny sort of thing. I was going to do, sorry, so completely off topic. I was going to do a pastel, you know that, sorry, I can't think, runaway aurora trend on TikTok right now, where you stand in front of you go onto Instagram and use that filter, and it's like light. It shows you like yeah, I hope people know what I'm on about. But anyway, I wanted to do an aurora set, but I wanted to do it in pastels. That was the original plan. That was the first nail, but it didn't go quite as I planned, and I was like, do you know what, I'll try it with darker colors again some other time. So let me know down below in the description box comment section if you would like to see that, because I kind of really love that trend and I love the artistic side of it. So I kind of want to do a set based off of that filter. Let me know. But anyway, going back to the nails, as you can see, I am now dragging my liner brush through the gel polish, and then I cure in between each nail. Actually, no, that's a lie. I cured 2 nails at a time because this gel polish was not moving, so didn't need to. And then the last 2 nails, I do this gorgeous green, turquoisey, not turquoisey, teal green, blue, it's green, it is. This pastel green, there we go, that's a better word. I ombreed it down into the pink. Basically I put the pink on the tip and I put the green on the other end, the nail bed end, and then I just used the gel brush and I sweeped back and forth and like just made it like a clean sort of ombre. And I done the same thing on the pinky finger, but I done it with the light pastel blue, like the lilac-y colour, and they tint out really, really nice. I was like, okay, I like this. I think I'm going to do another set with polygel, build a polygel setup, and then put these designs on the polygel because I really like this design. It come out really cute. Sorry, I'm just ranting and raving. But yeah, the gel polishes, like I said, I do have a discount code. I think there's limited time on it. I'm not too sure. And I do want to say, I think it's Umikk Umikk. I'm so sorry that I'm butchering that. I should have asked how it's pronounced. But thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so grateful, and it's a lush set. And I'm going to look for, I think they've got a lot of different sets, by the way, so just have a look at them. I'll link them down below for Amazon links. Everything will be in the description box, of course. And then you can have a look through their actual site, like their store on Amazon, because I know they do have other sets as well. And this set was just, it screamed me. You can tell they watch my videos. Pastels, neons, glitter, come on. But once I was finished with this, what I'd done, I cured fully in the lamp again then for 60 seconds to make sure everything was cured through, because there is a lot of like, not blobby, but like, because you're having to like marble it together. I screwed up here. I quickly clean it up with my glove. See, this is why I wear gloves. Never get gel polish on your skin, by the way, guys, or any nail products for that matter. So this is where I now go in with this glitter. This glitter, I will leave the link down in the description box. I got this off of Amazon. It come in a pack of like 12 or something, and I'm using that silver hollow that come in this collection, and I put it over. I don't put loads. I literally clean off the brush on the bottle neck, and I just put it over this nail and then the green and pink ombre nail, because it didn't turn out perfectly, and I thought, okay, we'll cover it with glitter, we won't tell no one. And then the other two nails, what I'd done is I just went in with some base coat, and then before curing I used my gel brush. I cleaned it off. It was still a bit sticky though from the gel. I then used that gel brush to pick up the glitters and stick it into the glitter, pick them up, and I stuck them onto the nail randomly here and there. You can't go wrong with glitter, and I'll tell you what, if you ever mess up on your ombre, use some glitter to cover that ombre and you will never know. So yeah, like I said, once I was done then and I was happy with the placement of the glitter. Sorry, my brain is so messy today. That's why I'm in an R, and I do apologise. No, well, no, I don't apologise, but I know it can be annoying sometimes, so kind of sorry, not sorry. But anyway, I cured, and then I went in then with a thick layer of top coat, and whatever was needed, I went in then again with a little bit more top coat just to make sure that everything was encapsulated. Of course, if you have Builder Gel, or you do these on your natural nails, of course, I love you too, babe. That was my 5-year-old daughter coming in to tell me she loved me. She's out playing at the minute, but she's just coming. My kids do this a lot though. Anyway, back to the nails. If you do put these on your natural nails, I would recommend just putting a nice layer of Builder Gel on top, just to encapsulate the glitter. But because this was my practice hand, I used a top coat. You can use top coat to encapsulate. It's not as strong or as reliable as Builder Gel, if that makes sense. But other than that, it was, yeah, oh, that's so pretty. I'm so chuffed with these. Unicorn, pastel, heaven. So anyway, once I'd done this, guys, I then went outside and I'd done some reveals. I also done some reveals on my desk as well. One of my lamps have actually broke, one of my ring lamps, so I'm kind of like fighting for light with just one little ring lamp right now, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, but you know, what can you do? I'll buy a new one when I can. But other than that, guys, I'm actually going to leave it here, and I'm going to stick some music on just so you guys can watch the reveal. If these are on your natural nails, don't forget to add some cuticle oil, because you want to keep your nails hydrated and healthy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling. Don't forget to stay safe, guys. Also, follow me on my social medias. I'm going to plug that in here. And tag me in your designs. I'd love to see them, honestly, because you guys are so amazing, and I love it when you tag me, guys, because I'm like, oh, I love it. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and talking now, and I'm going to leave you guys alone. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video, guys. Bye!